This conference will now be
Good
recorded.
morning. This is Fari Hemzi. It's 8:44 a.m. It's Monday, the 22nd of New Year of March. It's the second day of the New Year for Persians. As you know, the vernal equinox or spring equinox is the beginning of the New Year for Persians. So we celebrated both Saturday and Sunday. So we're good. All right, let's get to work now. Okay. Any housekeeping items? Not really. I'm behind a couple of emails. I gotta get a soft route to you guys. I'm just bombarded. I have a major presentation tomorrow. Huge client. Out of the blue. This is all because of Time Digest. They think I'm good at everything. I'm not. I just know a few things, So, oh well. But can't say no. Past tomorrow, we'll be back to normal. I think. I hope. I'm almost there. I have to use a laptop. I have to prep it, get the same version, all that. And I know Ad was asking me about that algo. I gotta get that to him too, but maybe later on tonight. Anyhow, let's go to Econ Calendar. That's so much for housekeeping. Yeah, that's it. All right, here we go. New week. Let me quiet down this one. Where's the coffee? There we go. All right. Okay, Mondays we don't have much, as we already know on Econ Calendar, but we have the Honorable Jerome Powell speaking at 9. What is he talking about? I don't know. Clue 8:30. That's a black report, so nothing crucial. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm serious. Oh geez. Index of trust overall economic activity and inflation. Okay. Okay, this is not good at all. Okay. What do we do here? We dropped a bit? Yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. 1 second. Now, look. This is not good, this number, that negative number. Oh. Okay. Okay, what do we have? Existing home sales. That's a good one. Okay, at 10, we got to watch for this. Bowman is speaking. Hold on, let me get my list in front of me. Bowman is Michelle Bowman. She's a governor. She's going. Corliss should be also a board member. Yeah, not a bank president. Daley is a bank president. San Francisco. Okay, 1:30 at 7:15. All right, these are these guys. A couple of bid auctions. So I'm Barkin. Who the hell is Barkin? Barkin's Richmond. Okay. All right. So big number is going to be this one, and look what's tomorrow. New home sales. So both of these are going to be crucial in light of where the Fed. I mean, where the Fed is targeting inflation and where 10 years trading at. So huge argument back and forth. I posted some stuff on Twitter and on Facebook and LinkedIn. Good readings from good sources. I only use very, very good sources. How do I define that? Big national newspapers and those who publish corrections. If they don't publish corrections, they're not to be trusted. It's very simple. New home sales tomorrow at 10. And Richmond Fed also for manufacturing. Powell speaks again tomorrow at noon. Boehner, they're all speaking. What's going on here? Williams from New York. Boehner again. Yeah, that's also unbelievable. Yeah, okay. She's also another governor. That's who's he? I think it's a he. Boehner is that it's a non-president governor. Yeah, and Bullard from San Luis. Again, Powell speaking. What's going on here? Okay, market PMI composite flash. Okay, durable goods. This is week number 4. That's right. Data intensive week after expiration. You have data intensive week. And Charlie, our dear friend, Mr. Dove himself, direct from Chicago. Reg FD, Charlie Evans, and Philly Fed. Who's Philly Fed, Jack? Harker, Patrick Harker. These guys follow Tico on, that's Admiral _ Tico on Twitter. At least their firm does. Okay. Why? I have no idea. You better ask them. GDP, 8:30. This is what I want to watch. Quickly. All right. 4.1. Okay. All right. Well, given where we were, yeah. My problem with all of this GDP is that this puts China as a trajectory to take over us as an economy, that size. You know? Oh yeah, think about that. Jobless claims, it's going to be up there again. Last week was, hold on, wow, 725. Yeah, we upticked. You know, this is sad. This is sad. What else do we got? Natural gas. John Williams again speaking. Kansas City. Black. That's a black report. Nothing crucial. Hey, black is beautiful. I'm not talking about that black. I'm talking about just the color. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Next thing you're in trouble. Okay, we got international trade, personal income, both red on Friday, and then the consumer sentiment. Let me see what this is picked for. Hold on. Come on, Jack. 83.5. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay. 4 months. Okay. 83.5. All right. Okay. That's it. Let's go to charts quickly. Okay. Timer charts. Expiration. Tough day. I realize that, especially after what happened on Thursday. But remember, we had a big boost on Wednesday, which I missed for FOMC. Jerome Powell put us into new territory on SPX. They had to take that down. They did. They did. Remember, this is building a lot of calls. So they have to pull it down to make these go bankrupt or worthless, the calls. And then somewhere in there, they put the low in and they turn it around. If we look at the intraday session on Tuesday, I'm saying on Friday, you see that right there. You see what they even tapped it down, made it low. Once the IV was in, they took it up. Good. Now, this is just settlement. This is just settlement. Listen, here's the cash close right there. It was a 10 minutes. Yeah, that's a cash close. Yeah, that's just the settlement because now you have American settlement there. This was European settlement. This is American. So we're done. Okay, and remember, I saw also triple witching. What used to be up to last year, quad witching. Now we don't have single stock futures anymore. All right. McLaren oscillated negative 47. We've also pulled back on Breath Trust. Downtick on CI diff. Volume is not something to write home about in terms of at least not yet. In reaction, this is a good reaction. This was a good reaction. You can see that low was put in. But you can also see where we were. We exceeded negative 3 sigma. When we do, you need to wake up and smell the roses. Okay, that's an event. That's an event. It breaks negative 3 for SPX. Yeah, you won't see it often when it does. It's like seeing past plus 2 sigma. You don't see it often. If you take a look, you'll see. Very few times we've gone past 2 sigma. Immediately after that, we're pulled back. Negative 3 on the downside, negative plus 2 on the upside. Okay, let's go to DTs. Okay, a friend of mine wrote to me last night, actually did a private message on Facebook, and he said, my 401k is down 70,000, and Dow is up. What goes it? What happened? I said, why are you asking me? Ask whoever's administering your 401k and fire them. It all depends what decisions they took and when they took that decision. So we're still long. We haven't touched it. Ball is too high. No. Some people don't like it, but it's not a popularity contest for me. I'm pretty firm in what I do, how I do things. I don't move by winds, political or otherwise. I hold steady. All right. Momo is pulling back. It's 0.15. SP2 also. SP1 also pulled back. Excuse me. Run buy and buy. Okay. I think you've probably seen the low on this leg because of the intensity of that move up, and then especially Thursday. But we'll see. It's early to see a low. Low should be a little bit lower. I realize that. But we'll see. Okay. Huge wall expansion on oil the other day. Yeah. This is current. Remember, this one is current. So we're still too high in terms of what I consider normal. Yeah, I like to see it around maybe on 14 right now. We're at least 2 sigma away on the VIX, given what the S&P is. Is this J21? Yeah. Okay. Outside bar again on the Russell, on its volatility. Yeah. And what does Russell do? Hold on, let me go on. I'm looking at the chart. A chart above this on a different monitor. Okay, gotcha. SQ. Wow, Murray. What happened here, Murray? Hold on. That's 150 almost. Holy mackerel. We almost hit the design limit. Yes, I know we tried higher, but 148.11. Oh, wow. That was Thursday night. Hallelujah. Yeah, that's Thursday night. Holy mackerel. No. Why then? It should have been the day before. Something is off. Why 1 day delay reaction? But 3 sigma there it is. Now I came back to 2, but look at it. Design limit is 150. 100, okay, to 150. Obviously, we've gone above that one time. I watched this thing since 2008 when it came out, or 2009, I guess, but yeah. From SIBO. All right. Trend. There's nothing on trend to deal with. Forget it. Let's go to TD. This is often wrong. It's old, very, very old. All right. Let's just, I think my spread is correct. Let me double check so I don't embarrass myself. So we're long April, short July, problem. Okay, that's what we want. Okay. Negative 387. 0 would be the bottom if it rallies up. If it rallies up to 0, that's the bottom. So we're kind of neutral here where we are. Kind of. We could have more downside. Here, guys. Yeah. At least SPX would. Remember, we're some decoupling with NASDAQ too. Keep that in mind. They don't make it easy on us, do they? Yeah. All right, 45. Very neutral here on SP2. Year 50 line. Okay, so very neutral here. And no rendezvous here, not with this pattern. So, yeah, it's a little bit confusing here until things sort it out. Treasuries. Oh, Murray. Inflation's coming back. And look at the front end. Front end is getting crushed because of the Fed. These days are not the buyer of longer term dated paper. They have less impact than they could do on those. And the vigilantes are back. The bond vigilantes are back big time. We're at first level. That's it. That's the MR1. Monthly resistance 1 is being hit across the board. Almost here. Definitely on 10. Definitely on 30. Maybe on 5, but we had one more week to go. And look at this one. In respect to that, went from pivot to monthly S2. It's the MS2 down here. It's right to that level. Yeah. Oh well, remember this is updated. This is now. This last little bar, that's today, because these start early at Seagull. Okay, we don't have anything there. All right, so now last chart, and then we go to there we go. Here we go. Let's get this down. Okay. Separations and moving averages. We talk about that often. The peak was again divergence. High, 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 high. Low, 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 low. So now this we're very familiar with this. That's not alarming. This is normal. We're gonna get a lot of these divergences. None of them are gonna work until one does. So once you get comfy and you think, okay, you got this thing pinned down, they'll surprise you. But so it's worth watching. That's all. So far, just like I said before, like what do you call it? For example, you could see. I don't see it there very well. Hold on. No, that's not a good one. Yeah, this is not a good one. We gotta be up there to show that. Yeah, this is that. Now there's a neutral or oversold, but you get up there, you'll see okay. You could maybe you can spot what I'm talking about right here. Okay, higher prices, lower this, and then it rotates, and then that's all she wrote. And you could tell early look is that separation of these two moving averages. If this separation stay on, that's what we're gonna watch here. And the angle, right now, a little flat. Look at how these two rotated, and they were separation kept on. Then you gotta be swimming into the abyss. Okay, and it takes that to find yourself. Yeah, it does. It does. So, all right, overnight. Let's see what we did on overnight. Yeah. No, that's not doing it. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here's our overnight operation. Up 6.25 and 91. So better yet, look at it from percentages. Let's say 0.2 versus 0.7. So it's 2.5 times as much move on NQ. I'm glad NQ is coming back. You really want NQ outperforming ES, but it doesn't. You got to stop and ask yourself something's going on. This country is built on high tech and high risk, high tech, big reward situation. You can't have value take over growth. We're in deep trouble when we go there. So that's where we are now. Okay. Why is those don't line up? Okay, there we go. Oh, I see what's causing that. Okay, we gotta fix that. We'll fix that. No worries. Okay. Archives were posted, cleared up. We are running M, and K. We're still working on this stuff, but they're awesome. The double bubbles and the limits. You'll see how these limits work. The ATR limits. So that continues. I am working on a special project. Involves ags using OTF. This is corn, I believe. What's this? This is wheat. This is corn. Yeah, CK. Corn. This is soybean, and this is soybean meal. But not all of them are candidates. There's some issues. Yeah. I don't know much about ags. I'm teaching myself. We have a couple of key people out of Chicago. Yeah, what they mean. Better learn from somebody with experience and try to define it yourself. It takes years to gain that experience anyway. So, anything else? Any questions for me? Okay, gonna turn this over. Let's see. Any questions for me here? No. Okay. Anything in the chat room was a question? No. Okay. All right. I'm going to close this, and we go. Thank you. Sending it to post processing.